You see, Magriba, you see as this area be, if you put them here now, you know, say you're in the center of big men. I know so these big men where they get problem.
I know say they get problem.
Some of them they get epilepsy.
Yeah,
some of them they get sickle cell.
The main problem now, this thing now we want to do, ego walk.
Magriba, why you talk like this? I don't ever bring business before and you know work.
You never bring business before, we never work. But you get the reason why I dey ask this one. This thing where we want to do now, ego walk.
See, Agidibama, I tell you, if you know say your faith no go carry your hobby, no go carry this thing, they go. I fit do am alone, no.
I get reason why I dey ask this question.
You don't get any reason why you go to ask this kind of question.
No less.
You see business who won't come do go bring millions of naira.
Put on. Me, I know why they ask this thing, no.
No ask.
Now because if this thing no work,
no ask.
If this thing no work, you might thank God you know who I am.
It will work, you see how.
Okay.
The big men will call us. You know, so these big men they get problem where.
No wahala. I don't get problem, but you will be poor man. You know, say your own problem pass sometimes, Why you charge? You and I know say we no get money, we get problem. Yeah, we go.
Man, bro,
Now, be the pastors.
One.
I don't understand. We look like strippers for your eye.
Confirm pastor.
You don't see this thing where we post here. Miracle sharp. If you get anything where they worry you, if you get person where get otangare, if you get person where get tuberculosis, if you get person where get obunganga, if you get person where get achere, my brother call us.
Sharp. And in case you know anybody will get HIV and AIDS or gorilla.
Holy Ghost fire.
Call us, not be Holy Ghost fire.
Call us. In one blink. In a blink of an eye like this. Your miracle, I go.
Sorry.
Hey, one name because that is easy, you know.
Kuri.
That is easy.
Zaga.
Hey, wait, like this miracle.
The anointing won't explode.
Aye.
Call us fast. And in case you know your guy, if your guy they get EB, call us.
My guy no fit get am.
Saku. Zori Baba.
It can happen to anybody.
Let me go.
Moku dey go.
In case any problem, just call.
Let us go like this.
Anyway, what do I do? If you say so.
The way they slap me, they go think say I've no been
Oh,
pastor.
no worry.
Like
Daddy, hey!
Anyway, what do I know? Even I talk so.
Oh my God. Wait, this one. I got it. Oh my God. It's okay. I got it. Wait, this one. Oh my God. I got it. Wait, this one. Okay. I got it. My bush is burning.
Your bush?
Yes.
In the bush.
I'm telling you. I got it. My madam is dying. Hey.
get me the ambulance.
Okay, madam.
Get me the doctor.
Okay, madam.
Get me the
Doctor. I don't sabi any doctor. Na pastor now I know. You get pastors wey come poster for here yesterday. I know na only them I know. Pastor. Call the pastor. Agabuch, call the pastor now. Get me the pastor. Hey. Hello. Sharp miracles. Abeg, where una dey? Mona come sharp. There is trouble. Abeg. Sharp. Anywhere una dey, Mona come. Abeg. Okay. Abeg. I dey wait. Hey, thank you. Hey. Where are the pastors? Did they come? I don't call them. Did they come? Hey! Okay, madam. My salary.
I don't call them. See them.
Are you the pastors?
What happened?
Please help me. All I could hear her scream was, my head, and she just slumped on me, just like that. Please, Pastor, help me. Pastor, please help me.
You don't have a problem. This my pastor here has done wonders. That is why he is called Miracle Sharp. This is a very small case.
Thank you, Pastor.
Tell him. I said this is a very small case.
Tell him.
Because this man you are seeing here have raised 13 dead people. This man you are seeing here have healed 45 lame people. This man you are seeing here have opened 43 deaf people here. For my front, now all these things happen.
Oh, Daddy.
Now why I see this thing in a very small case?
Daddy,
Daddy, ride on. Daddy, ride on.
Zengudos. Zigados. Zabru.
Zabrus.
Zebra. Zegebu. Zagum. Keep gas. Zagum. Zegos. Wake up. Zagadus. Zagarum. Zembo. Zarandum.
What is it?
In body don't cool. See.
What is it?
She go wake.
Hallelujah! I talk. Hallelujah!
No shot. If you shot now, her body where she dey for fire, she no go come back.
Fire.
The spirit no go return. Wetin go happen be say, I gats go my house now, go carry waking up anointing oil.
Can you drive?
I no sabi drive. I wan go now.
He get one
shortcut so I go pass. So go pass that shortcut now. Na there I go pass. Go just give me transport. Make I go.
Hey! Hurry up!
Zebragu.
Hurry up!
Hey, no dey shout.
But you no tell this man how much we go give us.
Mumu man.
No dey greedy. Anything we give us, we take am.
I know they greedy, but so what's that?
No dey talk.
Hey, you just make it 20,000 so that we go and come back sharp.
Take.
This is 50,000.
Okay, Hey, wait.
Yes.
50,000.
I dey come. Zegados. Zagadum.
Make you no worry, That my daddy way you see here. Him don't do things. Him don't raise people wey don die for my front. He get person wey die for like 13 days. He raise am. People wey no dey hear, he open their ear for my front. Make you no worry. 1 hour. In just 1 hour, we go come back, and your wife go stand. 1 hour and she will wait.
1 hour.
Only.
1 hour.
Hey!
Zegos.
Say 1 hour.
Zegos.
1 hour.
Agabus, are you sure?
1 hour.
Agabus.
Ima. Nah, what for you? Why you leave me for that place wrong come out now?
See, Agidigba, you see, make I tell you, for your life, no ever try that nonsense again. Why you go for that house? Go to see arrested. You dey mad? You don't see me arrested before? No be fake pastor with me. You don't see me arrested before?
Why you dey shout? You know say if I no talk that thing, we for no make that money wey we make today.
Central parables.
Leave that rubbish wey you dey talk. If I no hype you today, that man for no bring that money.
See,
And you sabi that one.
make I tell you, Agidigba, you see, for this life, for this life and the next life, no ever try am. You dey hear me? No ever talk wetin I don't do. Which kind nonsense with that one?
I no go ever talk am.
What happen to
I no go ever talk wetin you know they do, But I go always dey hide business, make business dey go well for us.
No talk arrested.
You don't do, no dey shout. But you know say that woman don die.
You no get sense.
That woman body cold well.
Not be me touch am. That woman don die. She don die go far. Person wey don die since 2 days ago. You don't know. You don't know say as I comot there, you suppose get sense. Follow me comot.
You know say if me I no smart, I for still dey there till now. Na because say I wise.
Same.
Na why I see say as you move,
I think say no get sense.
as you bring up that your wan go bring anointing oil. I say see my guy wan run.
Wisdom.
So I go be now. You know go give me my share for the money we make.
Agidigba.
See the kind of money we will make for only transport too.
Agidigba.
Only transport, then we make big money.
Agidigba.
Give me my share for the money.
If your mama born you where?
You be mumu.
If your mama born you where? Touch me again. Make walk, make really raw.
Say if I touch you, wetin you go do me? If I touch you, wetin you go do me? If I touch you, wetin you go do me? If I give you my share of the money?
Nah. If your mama born you when legi more.
I say give me my share of the money. Ima give me my money.
Don't follow me.
Please, I'm looking for two guys, one yellow and one black.
One short, one tall. Una dey find people now, calm down. Now they make me dey fear.
Oh my God, don't understand.
Wait, it be like say I see two people, one fair, one black.
Exactly. Which way?
Hey, my head. Wait. Okay. And I hear them pass.
Yes.
I dey sure and I hear them pass.
Hey.
Na hear them pass. Hey. Hey, yeah, poor people, poor masses.
I don't go price that house. Waiting for that side.
That house.
50,000.
No, boy, you get big eye, oh. You like good thing, oh.
They mad.
But you no can't get money, now be the problem.
We'll get 50,000 now.
We get 50,000.
Look at this. Pastor, yeah. Don't go anywhere. Now you have to do the miracle now.
Hey!
So you people are running. You ran away. Now we have caught you.
After killing my madam.
Citrus paribus.
We run. Cintrus paribus patita.
We not. I not run. We run. We don't best we run.
If we look like say we run, we for not sit down for this place
We
now.
not they run. We run.
We don't run.
Okay.
We just they analyze the next proceeding steps.
Healing process.
The healing process.
Okay, you are not running. There's no problem. Now we have to do this miracle now, sharp, sharp. See, do you know what, Agabush? Go inside the car and take that bottle of water so that it will change it into wine for us.
Oh yes. Since when I say we be sharp miracle,
Yes.
today when I go perform miracle for us.
There's no need to go home.
Zebrado.
Hey!
There's nothing my God cannot do.
That is nothing.
Citrus paribus.
Mumu man.
Citrus. Eh? Pastor,
Why they run?
why you run?
Why they run?
Why you run?
Why they
I
run?
don't know.
I tell you say there's nothing my God cannot do. See, we don't get motor.
We don't get free motor. That to sell this motor like this now.
25,000.
Join
We start 25,000. I'll join our
Join
money.
the money.
Buy house.
Buy that house, eh?
Citrus paribus. Ayuba.
May God not allow them, let them kill you.
I still don't go. I don't get motor. I'll remove 5,000, sell 20,000. So they'll buy a fast. But the only thing is I don't sabi drive. I don't come carry motor go.
Mumu man.
I don't get motor. I'll go sell them 20,000, plus 50,000, 70,000. I'll buy a house. Citrus paribus. Auntie? Eh wo?
Because this man you are seeing here have raised 13 dead people.
13.
This man you are seeing here have healed 45 lame people.
Jehovah Biafra.
Don't put that one there now.
No, it's good. It's good.
What's
It's
in
good.
there now?
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Let's pick up. Let's go, boss. You know they look my face, but I see they laugh.
Your action, I beg. You gotta go get into my see you. Only my see you come on here, I beg, just only they go video only my see you.
Time no dey. Time no dey.
Okay.
Time no dey.
Okay,
Let's
we'll
go.
go.
Let's go again.
Well, thank you so much for watching this funny episode. Yes, no.
Dikono, thank you for watching this very funny episode.
Episode. Thank you for watching this funny episode.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Okay, what's the right word for it?
Next week, come and say another episode.
Okay, episode. Okay, episode. Thank you so much for watching this funny episode.
Please don't forget to subscribe, eh?
We love you.
Turn on the notification.
Notification. Turn on the notification.
Notification.
Yes, turn on the notification.
Notification.
Thank you very much.
See you
God
on
bless
the next
you. God bless your
episode.
mother. God bless your father. God bless your uncle. God bless your auntie. God bless your grandfather.
See
your
you
ancestors.
on next episode.
Yeah. See you on that episode.
We have much more money.
More episodes to come.